back to our channel. Today we are covering SC-300, Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today's questions are: you have an Azure Active Directory tenant named Contoso.com that has Azure AD identity protection enabled. You need to implement a sign-in risk remediation policy without blocking user access. What should you do first? Option A. Configure access reviews in Azure AD. Option B. Enforce Azure AD password protection. Option C. Configure self-service password reset for all users. And option D. Implement multi-factor authentication for all users. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: your company has a Microsoft 365 tenant. All users have computers that run Windows 10 and are joined to the Azure Active Directory tenant. The company subscribes to a third-party cloud service named Service One. Service One supports Azure AD authentication and authorization based on OAuth. Service One is published to the Azure AD Gallery. You need to recommend a solution to ensure that the users can connect to Service One without being prompted for authentication. The solution must ensure that the users can access Service One only from Azure AD joined computers. The solution must minimize administrative effort. What should you recommend for each requirement? Let's go through the answer area. And the correct answer is, next question is: your company requires that users request access before they can access corporate applications. You register a new enterprise application named App1 in Azure Active Directory and configure single sign-in for My App1. Which setting should you configure next for My App1? Option A. Self-service. Option B. Provisioning. Option C. Application proxy. And option D. Roles and administrators. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: your company has an Azure Active Directory tenant named Contoso.com. The company is developing a web service named App1. You need to ensure that App1 can use Microsoft Graph to read directory data in Contoso.com. Which three actions should you perform in sequence? Please go through the answer area. And the correct answer is, next question is: you have an Azure Active Directory tenant that contains cloud-based enterprise apps. You need to group related apps into categories in the My Apps portal. What should you create? Option A. Tags. Option B. Collections. Option C. Naming policies. And option D. Dynamic groups. The correct answer is option B.